Wonderful well-maintained 3 halves with upgrades throughout. New AC installed last year. Upgraded kitchen with granite countertops. Painted and refurbished kitchen cabinets. Fully fenced-in yard with boat/RV storage. Screened-in patio and outside fire pit area and more. Call for more info. Both bathrooms remodeled, tile in living areas, newer appliances, large laundry room, breakfast bar, open floor plan. French doors lead to screened patio, fire pit and amp, delightful backyard. Lush Landscaping provides privacy.New roof 2005.